I'm Carrie Frasca, CEO of Evitalin. We are at our Customer Service Operations Center here in the Tampa Bay area. Evitalin is a collective of specialized healthcare companies focused primarily on the men's health space. We've been in business for 15 years and service over 100,000 members across the United States. For years we were using Salesforce, which worked great as a CRM and for our sales and marketing departments. But we struggled as we tried to extend that same value across other departments within our company. The base subscription that Odoo offers is a full suite of apps from inventory and HR and finance, all under one platform. And unlike Salesforce, all modules were included in the base subscription.
My name is MT Nahill. I came in as a software consultant and was a project manager for this Odoo transition. Some of our key requirements were being able to support an online store, a call center, third-party integrations like shipping and phone and fax. I found Bista Solutions by looking at the gold partners for Odoo, and I was excited to work with them because they had a team to help keep costs under control. They had done many of these projects in the past, so I knew it would be a smooth transition and could help guide us through best practices. Key reason I picked Odoo was, while there are many tools that have those requirements, Odoo had millions of users already, so I knew it would be a stable system.
Bista guided us through the entire transition, from data migration to post-go-live support.
Bista Solutions was particularly strong during the go-live and post-implementation rollout. They staffed their team so that they were available within minutes, even though we were in very different time zones. That was a huge part of the success. We were actually able to have one of our biggest weeks ever in that week post-go-live, which is a particularly sensitive time in these migrations.
One of the biggest benefits, particularly to my team, was getting us onto Odoo reduced our clicks per order, making us significantly more efficient and streamlined. And so we're a better team because of it.
Now that Odoo is live, we are seeing faster support, better communications, and more transparency for our customers using our new portal. We've also significantly reduced our software costs, spending about a quarter of the amount that we did on previous ERP systems.
Overall, it was an incredibly positive experience working with Bista Solutions. It was comforting to know that they could focus on the implementation while we could focus on our own internal work. Excited to say that we're continuing to work with Bista Solutions on some additional functionality that will help bring in more income and reduce our costs, adding in more automation for our workflows.